Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Golden Glades local and long-distance movers near me. Although long-distance moves are complicated, we make the process simple. We have a team of professionals working with us. They plan and organize your move to get satisfactory results. Our professional movers handle your belongings with care. They arrange and label your belongings appropriately, then load them into the trucks. Our moving trucks are also unique. They accommodate and transport your belongings to your new destination. Our drivers are experts. They have valid licenses to make long-distance trips. Local moves are less than 100 miles, but they still need a concise plan and thorough execution. We provide fast and efficient local moves in Golden Glades FL. Hiring professional movers with 24/7 customer service in Golden Glades is hard. Our customer service is the best. We have customer care experts that are ready to attend to you. Once you contact us, we respond immediately and start work. Our rates are very cheap. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Golden Glades moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.